Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing the August Simply Earth Essential Oils recipe box. This is what your box will look like when you first subscribe and get your very first one. You get this big bonus box. So you open this up and your monthly recipe box will be on this side, some other things, and then you'll get some extras. So you take out your monthly box and then you'll have bottles, coconut oil, beeswax, almond oil, and coconut oil over here, a solid and a fractionated. So this is the big bonus box that I'm always talking about. So when you use my code, and actually currently right now, August 6th, they have their where you get $15 off when you add the subscription to your cart. And then when you put in my code TOREYNOORAFREE, I'll put a screenshot of this so you can see what I'm talking about, but it makes your first box $29.99, which is a crazy good deal, and so gives you no reason not to try it, at least for the first month. But August and fall, these are my favorite months, these boxes, because I like making candles and different fall things, and fall scents are just my favorite to diffuse and things like that. So anyways, I don't even know what the theme is this month. And what is this? So in that you get like $50 off coupon your first 5 months to share with a friend. So coupons, and then the big bonus, it's Candle Hero. Oh my gosh, I promise I didn't know that. So this is the August box, and I'm late to the game, sorry guys, it's August 6th already. But so you get each month 4 essential oils here, recipes, and then different ingredients to make the recipes on this side. So my arm doesn't get tired. Cassia essential oil, I'll share the oils first. First you get cassia essential oil. This is going to be similar to cinnamon. It's kind of in the same family, I believe, but very good, like spicy essential oil. You get lava, which is an essential oil blend, grapefruit, blood orange, hoe wood, and sandalwood. You get lemon eucalyptus, which is a really good fresh essential oil. This is, oh, stop it. Did they go back to, maybe it's just an older bottle. So sometimes, wait, what? Okay, looks like they're going back to putting the more information on the bottle, which they kind of away from. This one just has the ingredients and the suggested use, and then some safety info and things. But on this one, they used to put this origin and aroma, which I just like, because if you're unfamiliar like with oil and you just want to quickly see, so this one's from China, and balsamic and citrus sweet is lemon eucalyptus, and then this one is sweet orange, which is such a good fall citrus. So this is from Italy and sweet and citrusy. I'm gonna go quickly see if I already have these, because if I have duplicates, I just give these away, and I give 1 essential oil away a week on my email list. So if you're not subscribed to that, I will put the link down below so you don't miss out on winning some essential oils for free. Literally had all 4 of these, so I can open them and give you like a smell test too. But so that means all 4 of them will go into my giveaway pile. Let me know which one you're most excited for, and I'll do that one first on my email list. So lava, the blend, it's so sweet. Grapefruit, blood orange, hoe wood, and sandalwood. This smells super good. I don't know why it's called lava, like that's an odd name to me, but it is sweet and earthy because it has the cedarwood, sandalwood. Oh, it smells really good, and it needs like a floral. So this one, like, my opinion for like a perfume or a diffuser blend, because I just florals are my favorite, but it's a good base for a blend. Eucalyptus, so this one is kind of, goodness, it's kind of like citronella. It's very, it's just like citronella. We add citronella. Cassia, so like a warm and spicy, but not as spicy, more sweet, kind of than cinnamon. And then sweet orange smells just like the orange peel, but sweet orange is just a little bit more sweet. So think of like kind of tangerine-ish, but same kind of thing. Okay, and in this side you get beeswax sheets to make a beeswax candle, I'm assuming, floating candle wicks, DIY candle kit, which I'm also filming today. They have a candle kit for fall coming out, and this, guys, is so easy to make a candle. All you do is melt this in the bag, then you pour it into a glass jar, and then you always give you like this, what you'll need to have the wick stand up and all of that. So this is amazing. And then the kit also that they're coming out for fall, if that makes sense, the same thing, but I'm assuming a bigger one, make a small candle. So super exciting. I love that. It cannot be easier. I always like to let you guys know what the value is. So this month's value is $109, and like I said, They have that deal right now, so it's $29.99 when you sign up for this month, for your first month. Stickers to label everything, always. Candle hero sheet, so you've earned your candle badge. And oh, the candle kit is right here. So introducing DIY candle kits. Then it has a QR code to scan, but that's the kit right there. For that video coming next on my channel. But volcano floating candle, that's hard to say. So making a candle with the floating wicks, fractionated coconut oil, which comes in the big bonus box, 15 drops of lava, and then you need a jar from home. So make sure you have some glass jars. We always just save random glass jars so we have them for different things like this. Warm honey beeswax sheet candles, 3 beeswax sheets, cotton wick. So where do you get a cotton wick? Oh, it's in there in the same bag. Drops of cassia, and then cotton balls you'll need from home, and a candle holder. This one I'm confused about. Oh, so it's kind of, yeah, so making like a stick candle, I think. I'm gonna have to double check on that and look on their website. They have a YouTube channel with tons of info and videos and sourcing from their oils too, but they do their on their YouTube channel too, so you can see exactly how to do them. Lemonade stand candle, that sounds really good. The girls would like that. So lemon, eucalyptus, cassia, and orange. You'll need a jar from home, and you're using the candle kit for that. So you're making lemonade stand. Autumn Ambiance diffuser blend. You'll make a diffuser blend each month. 50 bottles come in the big bonus box. These kinds of bottles, so you'll just slap a label on that and then pour a bunch of drops of each bottle and make your own blend. Sunny Days roll-on. You'll make a roll-on generally each month, and then you get roller bottles. Roller bottles, all in your big bonus box. So you'll again label that, dilute it with some coconut oil or almond oil, and then this one's lava, orange, and lemon eucalyptus. Then lastly, you are making summer spice wax melts. So from home, you'll need a silicone mold, which if you're a subscriber for a while, you get molds from time to time, so you should have some on hand. If not, the dollar store usually has those. But coconut oil solid, beeswax, which is in your big bonus box, 30 drops orange, cassia, lemon, eucalyptus, and then you'll melt all of that. I just have like a tiny electric called a burner. I just make my own double boiler up here in my office and usually just melt everything like that. So you melt it all together in a double boiler and then pour it into your silicone mold, and then to use those you'll want to put it on like a candle warmer or something like that. But way better than using candles or mold or those melties from anywhere else, obviously. Okay, that's it for August. Let me know what you're excited to make. Let me know which you want me to make and share on my channel if you're interested. And again, here is what the monthly box comes and looks like. And then when you first, and then every 6 months after that, you'll get a big bonus box. So that comes with all the extras. But let me know what questions you have. Again, use my code. It's $30 to try it for your first month. So let me know what you think, and have any questions, leave them down below. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day. Bye.